Hello and welcome to my first tutorial on Java. We will just be showing you the basics. To start off, you should probably get an IDE, because this makes things much easier than having to compile them in command prompt. So I'm going to start one. I use jCreator because my school provides it. Alright, head over to your file. And now you need to name your file. Your file should start with a capital letter. Alright, for the first part of your file, you're going to create a public class with the name of your file. Now, to start, because this is just a basic program, it'll just be public static void main. String with an open and closed bracket, and then you're going to put args. Now you're going to start another bracket. And just for this first program, we're just going to have it print out hello world, as always with first programs. And with any statement in Java, you need a semicolon after it. And run project. And as you can see, it has compiled. Now, let's get on to some more interesting and complex things. So, how do we get inputs in Java? Well, for command prompt based programs, we do import java.util.scanner. This allows us to import more like abilities, like commands we can call in this without Java having to load every single one whenever it starts. So that generally helps optimize the speed. And up here, we are going to create an object called scanner, which will listen for keystrokes whenever we call it. So scanner scan equals new scanner system.in. This is just for the keyboard and stuff. Alright, so now let's change up our program a little bit and let's say, hello, what is your name? And we're going to have them input their name. So we're going to create a new string. This is another object. So we'll have string name equals new string. So we're creating a new object. And we're going to have it go scan.next line. There's two forms of there's two ways to get text input. You can get scan.next, which just gets the next word, or scan.nextLine, which gets like the next sentence until like press enter. Now, you don't have to go this entire long statement here. You can kind of shorthand a little bit with string name equals scan.nextLine. But this creates a whole new object. This just puts it in a pool of objects which can be referenced. So now, let's print out their name. Let's go system.out.println. Hello. Now we're gonna close our quotes. Quotes are for sentences, so that way it tells what's text and what's like commands for it to execute. And now to add our string, we're gonna do plus name, and we're gonna close those brackets. So now if we compile, it should print out our name. My name is Austin. Hello, Austin. So these are just some of the basics. If you look, I'll upload some more tutorials, and you can look at those, and they'll start getting more complex. Probably just with some like methods and like how to use loops, like a while loop, for loop, ifs and else's, do whiles, and maybe we'll do some file writing and file reading. And then eventually we'll get into GUIs like JavaFX or Swing, which you can do some pretty cool stuff with. Let's see if I can find one. Here we'll do Snake. So compile this, if it'll run. So we start this, and as you can see, we can create a snake and controlling it with the arrow keys. Has a score counter. And this is what, like 300 lines or something? Yeah, but we'll get into some complex things and you'll be creating programs of your own before you know it. So, thank you for watching.